another review. In this video, we're going to talk about another awesome marketing tool software that you'll find exciting in your business. But before we get into the video, click the link below where you'll be able to check out some awesome tools, bonuses that you'll be able to grab if you pick up this awesome tool. But now let's jump into the video.
Introducing Epibook, your all-in-one solution for launching a fully automated digital product business effortlessly. With Epibook, you can skip the complexities of website design and coding. Simply install it, and you're ready to start selling high-quality. This powerful platform comes preloaded with over 100 products, ensuring you have everything you need to tap into the booming digital market right from the start. You will benefit from a professionally designed, SEO-optimized website that guarantees a smooth user experience and maximizes conversion rates. With built-in automation, Epibook generates fresh content, engages visitors, and drives sales around the clock without any manual work on your part. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with popular payment gateways to provide a hassle-free checkout experience for your customers. You don't need to be a tech-savvy expert to succeed with Epibook. Everything is designed to be user-friendly, allowing anyone to manage their online store with ease. Not only is there a strong potential for passive income, but this platform gives you complete control and flexibility to customize your store to align with your brand. Take advantage of this one-time offer and join the thousands who have transformed their financial futures with Epibook. Let's make your online success story a reality today.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found that very helpful. Thank you again. Don't forget to click the link below for the special bonuses. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.